nice to touch materials. I think it's supposed that way. Now you have 24 wheels, and I think when the wheel is spinning, the Rolls-Royce logo holds still. Huge door. It opens from the other side, not like regular cars. We have hand-built England, and from here we can see the umbrella. The engine compartment is very huge. Let's try to open the hood. V12. Wow. I think the logo is missing. Someone stole it. To not scratch the car. Let's go on the back first. Okay. Yeah. At first of all, I was thinking I will maybe I have not enough space for the legs. I'm like almost 2 meters, but in reality I still have space even if I'm sitting back with the driver that is the same height as me. So cup holders. This is old school cigarette lighter. And this one is made of metal. It's like cold. Everything you touch, you feel the quality of the car. I think you can have a compartment for champagne if you want to drink with your passenger. Even this part is made of metal. Like there's almost no plastic. It's even wood, leather or metal. You can even see the airbag in the seats. Have some special carpet here. So if you don't want to close the door by yourself, I found there's a button. Just be careful with your fingers. Yeah, like everything you touch, it feels heavy and like very solid. Another lighter for cigarettes. Alright, let's try to start it. So actually this car has 110,000 kilometers and the range is the fuel tank is almost empty, so I guess we'll just take a little test drive on it. Alright. Let's see, we have... Okay. Are we going backwards? I don't know if you can see through the camera, we have projection in the front and it even catch the speed limit. That's interesting. This car is, especially the front, it's too long that it should be a hard time to park it sometimes, I guess. I really try my best to not scratch anything. But inside it feels very quiet. But the camera system is very handy. Like you can literally see your car in 3D. Okay, let's see if we can wash the windows. Alright. Also the lights Light switch is interesting. Alright. For now I will wait for the owner to come back, because right now this car doesn't have license plate. So I will just wait in the parking lot and let's see if we'll have the chance to test it on the road just a little bit. Yeah, we have proximity sensors that's beeping sometimes. Also test the electric steering wheel. It's very rare that you can see the steering controls that are electric, but for this type of price of the car, it's yeah, it's something you can expect. This car is actually for sale from my sponsor Gestion MMF. It's thanks to this company that I have a chance to test this car. So yeah, if you're interested to test drive it, I will put in the description below of this video the information. We're now situated like 15 minutes from Montreal, South Shore. Okay, I'll try to not be too close. Parking is just the bottom there. Alright. Okay. It will have a battery discharge warning. I guess the car maybe we're sitting for some time here. Yeah, so we will see if we have the chance to test drive it on the road, and meanwhile we'll wait for the owner. And for now, guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about this car.